Hey, what's going on, everybody? Crazy Cruise here. We're here at Long John Silver. We're here with Angry Granny.
Oh, it's clean. Look.
What?
Right in front of your pants, you got crumbs all over it.
Well, I just got to eating fish. Well, anyway, guys, we're about to give this to the birds outside. How many are out there?
Look at all.
Hang on.
I'd say over maybe 100 of them.
There's probably like 100 birds out there. I'm gonna try to feed them. Hopefully they don't attack me. Here, can you hold that too, or no? Are you all right? Can you hold it?
Yeah.
Can you handle it?
Yeah, come on. Can you handle your shit? Let's go.
Angry Granny always pissed off about something. I'm joking. All right, here we go, folks.
Oh, God, Bugs, the birds are going to attack you.
No, they won't. They didn't open this door for this lady. I got you.
Thank you so much.
No
We're
problem.
going to feed the birds. They're probably going to attack us. Oh,
No, they won't attack you. Y'all have a good day.
You too. All right, here we go, folks. Here they all go. Here we go. Hang on, folks. Let's feed them. Look at them all. Look at them all, folks. Oh, bird shit. Bird, they're shitting everywhere. Oh, God. I'm getting attacked by them. They just demolished all that. Oh, they're shitting everywhere. I'm getting... I'm not kidding, folks. They shit everywhere. I'm dodging shit. Hey, God. Look at them all. There's hundreds of them. Look at them all. They demolished that in seconds. All them fries, they took them all.
They attacked them.
Alright, I'm getting back in the car, folks. Hang on one second. I'm gonna let Granny in. She's about to drop my Coke.
they're starving, ain't they?
Yeah, give me my Coke.
Here. Oh, they gone that shit down, didn't they?
Yeah,
Oh,
it was gone in seconds.
They're shitting. They're hungry.
None of them shit on me, did they?
No. They're starving.
Yeah,
ain't
we
they?
fed them birds, them seagulls.
Oh.
I put like a whole thing of French fries down and they demolished them in seconds. And then it started shitting everywhere.
They're starving, Bugs.
Well, guys, that's it for right now. I'm gonna get out of here. We just wanted to feed the birds. I was hoping they'd attack me, so it'd be a good video, but they didn't. Who's this guy doing?
What's he doing? Looking at us?
I don't know. But anyway, guys, Crazy Cruise here. If you liked the video, you know what to do.